Today's topic, we're going to talk somewhat about COVID, and then if we get time at the end, we'll talk a little bit about Lake Region Extension Roundup. But today, we'll start off with talking about COVID. You know, we look at the rates of infection across North Dakota and in our own community. We all need to be very frivolent and fruitful and responsible and take care of ourselves and those around us. You know, there's been mandates out about wearing masks, social distancing, all those kinds of things. And when we see the infection rate in the county alone in the last few days, and this is recorded on November the 6th, they've had 35 to 45 new cases a day. We need to be responsible, so let's wear our masks and let's stay that social distance apart. And if you think the necessity is to go out on the town on a Saturday, Friday night or whatever, please be thinking about all that stuff. You know, it's very hard to adapt, and I would tell you, I am probably one of the worst it's hard to adapt to. But by staying home, if I can stay more healthy, then I guess that's what we'll have to do. We'll figure out things that we can do at home that'll help us get through all this stuff. And we do have some things coming up that will help pass some of the time away during the upcoming months with Lake Region Extension Roundup. But please, when you're out and about, get your mask on. Stay that social distance apart. Don't be giving people hugs and all. You can if you need to greet somebody, you can use the elbow to elbow kind of thing. But my wife works in infection control at the hospital, and she sees some of the heartaches that happens because of this new pandemic that we're involved with. So my recommendation to you, I'm going to keep this sweet today. This is going to be a very short one. I'm just going to talk about this COVID. Let's do our part and try to help. And wear a mask, stay social distance, and if you don't need to go out, stay home and do that. You know, maybe you might have some family members or something that come over, but if we look around our community, I can say there's probably not one of us that don't have family members that are being exposed to others, and a good example is at school. You know, our grandkids, our kids, doesn't matter, they go to school, and the school's really good about requiring masks and all those things. But still, they're around kids and a greater portion of kids, and at times that social distance can't be adhered to. And then when I go pick up some grandkids at the school, you see the kids come out of the school, take their masks, and then they stand next to each other and laugh and giggle and do the thing that kids do. So we just need to make sure that we're following some rules in our own personal lives that'll keep us safe throughout this pandemic. And by that time, maybe we'll have some new vaccines or something that'll help protect us. But for the time being, let's take all the precautions that we can and stay safe and healthy.